Sakura's crocheted so much since the last time that I made one of these videos, so we are doing part 2 of crocheting everything that Sakura crochets. Though we're doing a throwback to begin with, because look at this freaking adorable yarn that I got. I'm gonna try to make her fluffy hat with this instead of the yarn that I used before, and hopefully it looks so much better. I know I have ribbon here somewhere. I didn't buy more because the last one used like the entire roll, I think. But I know that for my birthday, my friend wrapped a gift in ribbon, and I specifically was like, ooh, I'm saving this. I just don't know where I put it. But I'll start with the hat. Okay, so I started it, and first of all, I love this yarn so much. It's a faux fur from Loops and Threads. It's one of the new yarns Michaels carries now. And this is with the hook that they suggest. They said 8mm, but it's so thick, and it'd be good for some things, but I want it to look a little more fluffy, like this looks like proper material. It doesn't really look like what Sakura's looks like. And then the biggest hook that I have is a 10mm, so I tried it out with that, and it does let it a little looser, a little more like dispersed fluffiness, so I think I'll go with that, especially because then, you know, the yarn just goes further too, so win-win-win-win all around. But I do really need to make a bucket hat out of this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but this is super freaking thick and so heavy. It is not at all like how Sakura's is, so I'm just gonna have another cat hat that's not like hers because the yarn's not right. But I mean, I love it. This is an entire skein, but I bought 2, which is sad because this is expensive yarn. But also I want everything in this now. It's so freaking soft, I can't even. It's fuzzy, so when you're working with it, you will be fuzzy. I literally went out the other day with like a ton of fuzz on my pants and I didn't even realize. It's fine. I don't know if this is long enough because like the bulk obviously makes it need to be bigger. I think this is not at all her hat. This reminds me more of like Chaewon's freaking hats that she wore for the anti-fragile performances. Oh my goodness. This was a waste of time and money. Oh my goodness. Okay, but I may as well finish it. I was trying to thread this in through a needle to sew, which I'm not gonna be able to do, but then I realized it's freaking 3-ply. I could have just taken it apart. I mean, that would have been a lot of work, but like it would have worked. It would have been nice. It's fine, it's done. I'm not starting over again. The fluff is floating around. Can you see this? Oh my goodness. Sewing with this stuff was way worse than crocheting with it. Crocheting with it wasn't that bad. Like I preferred it to mohair, but like sewing with it, all the fur is coming out. So this is the hat. It looks kind of like it, like the shape of it, and it looks like it would look like it, but since it's so thick when I put it on, it's just like this huge thing. I mean, it's close. This is too bright. You can't see how nice the color pink is. Wow, what am I doing? I don't know, you still can't see. Why is this one more pokey? I don't know. I'll find the ribbon at some point. I don't want to look for it tonight. I mean, it's a vibe. It's just a different kind of vibe. This would be so freaking warm, and this yarn is so soft. I highly recommend it. I love it. Kind of like good noise canceling too. I have defuzzified myself a little bit. Now we're moving on straight into the skirt, which you cannot see because there's a lot that I'm planning to make for this video, but it seems like most of them are gonna go by pretty fast. So I have these 3 yarns. Hello. They are weight 4 though, so I think it's not gonna be the same. Plus they don't have sparkles. Sakura's has sparkles, but it's fine, it's whatever. They're also different colors. This is gonna be more like saturated than hers, but we work with what we've got. I'm gonna experiment a little with hook sizes. This is a double crochet, I believe, and it looks quite holy, so I'm gonna try to find a holy one. But I actually came across, and this is just pure coincidence, I came across yesterday the tutorial for this on Pinterest. So I made sure to save the link so that I can link that below for you guys if you want to follow a step-by-step tutorial. I didn't actually watch it, so I don't know how in-depth it is, but I'm assuming it's like a proper tutorial. There's still fuzzies everywhere. I'm not gonna follow it just because, like, I don't know. I don't want to. I just like doing my own thing, unless things are like super complicated, but this looks pretty simple, minus the leg wrap thing. I'm not really sure about that, but so I tried out some different stitches with some different hook sizes because I'm trying to get it, like I can't get it as delicate obviously as hers is, because hers would be like with a weight 3 yarn I'm assuming, and this is 4. But I think what I've decided on to get it sort of similar look is a mesh half double crochet stitch where I'm half double crocheting in the chain spaces. Yeah, hopefully that looks okay. I'm gonna start with a couple rows of ribbing though, just a single crochet I think. It's a bit of a late start today. It's 1 p.m. I just started like half an hour ago. I finished doing the ribbing, which is like this part here, last night. So I just attached it so it can go in the round and then did my first couple rows. I'm just gonna try it on now to make sure that it actually fits me because it looks pretty small, but it should be stretchy enough, and then I can see how much I need to go out for it. I was late today because I did my taxes all by myself online. I'm very proud. Oh, this is like too loose. What the freak? What the freak? I literally measured myself last night. My stomach must have been bloated because what is this? I didn't weigh short. Freak, are you kidding me? Can you change that much throughout the day? I've eaten and everything. It's literally 2 inches different. How do you... Okay, well that's kind of annoying, but whatever. I think I'll just leave it though, cause like... I can always put a drawstring in it. I mean, if my belly gets that big in the evening, then I don't know. It'll only be wearable in the evening. I don't think I'll have to go out at all then, because the split will start down here, so then that should... You know. I have now done the second color of the skirt. It's less ombre, obviously, because I don't have the colors. But it doesn't look as bad on the camera as it does in real life. But, I don't care for it that much. Actually, I feel like I should have done one more row of this, but it's whatever. What? Are these not? Did I not go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Why does this side look longer? Anyway, I'm now switching to white, and now instead of going in the round, I'm just gonna go back and forth, probably decreasing every other row. I'm gonna say. I think I'd have to decrease. I don't know. Maybe I wouldn't, because I feel like maybe this is... I don't want to try it on again. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Oh, I'm sweating. Okay, moving on. Alrighty, I finished the skirt. I think my slit is too big, but it's fine. I still don't like this, but I don't like blue, so maybe that's what's bugging me about it. I chained a bunch, like a bunch, but then for some reason the yarn was cut because I was gonna do more, but then it just stopped. So I was like, okay, fine, making the decision for me. So I might be able to not wrap this around my legs as much, but I'm gonna lace this up and then see what happens. Oh yeah, it's on. I'm gonna try it on, which I love to do. We love trying things on. I'm just so hot today. I don't know why. The sun's shining in here for once. Oh, she tight. Okay. Just a moment. Technical difficulties. Am I gonna rip it? I don't know. But it's so loose at the top. It's my butt. No, it's too far. Oh, need to loosen this a bit. Just a second. Oh, does it look like it? Ignore my clothes. Wait, I gotta do the... Oh, it's so tight on my butt. Wait. Loosen it a little more. Oh. Alrighty. Definitely need a little tie in here, but how do we do this? We wrap around like this. I don't have much space left now because nope, I don't even have enough to tie it. Don't got them idle legs. Actually, no, idols would have big legs because they're like a little tiny bow. Beautiful. What's up? Smarter, baby, smarter. I don't know any of the dance moves. I just know there's a lot of waves. Okay, next, someone specifically asked me to make the hat she made for IU, the Tweety Bird hat, and I don't have the right yarn for it, and I wouldn't even know where to get it, but I'm going to try my best with what I have and mix and match a bunch of things. So I have this mohair blend, which is almost perfect for one of the colors. And then I have this white thin mohair stuff that I'm gonna mix with a bunch of other things. So I have the light yellow, and then the only blue that I could find that's even close is this. Hopefully once this is mixed in, it'll look lighter. And then I just have this white, which is thinner, but maybe I should, I don't know. And this is all I have of the white mohair stuff, but I have Joshua's cardigan that I still haven't taken apart, and it's a mess, so I will be taking it apart, but it'll be super hard to do so. Not looking forward to it, but let's get started. I'm just gonna look at the picture and try to like replicate each row, I think. I got sick with COVID, if you would believe it. So annoying, because I don't even go anywhere. It was probably literally from the grocery store. But anyway, it's been like a week, probably 2 weeks now since I crocheted. I started this before I got sick, the hat, the Tweety bird hat. It looks really nice. It looks more saturated than Sakura's, but like this is yeah, I attempted to crochet. I think I crocheted like 3 rows of this while I was like recovering, and it made me feel so crappy. Like moving at all made me feel so horrible. So I gave up on that, and I'm actually giving up on this video now. I'm gonna finally listen to what everyone's been saying, and oh, it's raining. No, it's not. What is that? The heck? Only do like one thing per video because I cannot. It'll have been 2 weeks since I posted a video, and I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm sweating. Why am I sweating? It's been a while since I've been in front of a camera, I guess. I'm nervous. I don't know. Hello? I also attempted to do a few rows, two rows to be exact, for the easy top, which I will make in a different video. I think I'll have to redo this. It doesn't look that great. This is while I was sick and it just was not happening. So I'll try to I'll finish this, and maybe I will finish the hat in the same video, but like this hat is so freaking annoying, okay? Because all this mohair stuff gets stuck together like crazy, and there's multiple kinds, and I'm combining 2 different kinds, and it's getting tangled like crazy, and it's just really annoying. So, but it looks really nice, so we'll see. Anyway, videos probably 2 times a week, but shorter is what I'm saying. Plus I'm behind now. I have to do stuff for like other, like I have to do, yeah, you know what? You'll figure it out. You'll find out soon. I don't even remember what I made in this video. Okay, goodbye.